2021 Toyota RAV4. This is going to be where your cabin filter is located on this car. It's going to be behind your glove box. To get back there, we're going to have to go ahead and disconnect the damper that you have here by pulling on it. Okay, it just snaps right off. And then you're going to have to disengage the glove box stoppers here by just pressing the glove box inward on each side. And once you do that, the glove box will come down. Okay. Well, in here is where you're going to find the case, and the door for the filter is right here. All you do is squeeze these tabs on the sides of the door, and it'll come right off and hit the camera. But here's where the filter is located. And this one's pretty new. It's pretty clean. We're not going to change it today, but the element just comes out of this holder here. If you need one, there'll be a link down in the description box below.